Welcome to the Finance News Network. I'm Anna Napoli, and joining me now from Novatti Group is CEO Peter Cook. Peter, welcome back to FNN.
Morning, Anna.
Novatti Group is a financial transactions processor and developer. Can you tell us more?
Novatti develops technology, very specific fintech solutions for both our third-party customers and our own financial services networks. Most of our focus is on deploying financial transactions networks, primarily for cross-border payments from Australia out and inbound to Australia for specialised services such as international bill payments, person-to-person remittances, and general cross-border payments.
Now to your first half 2019 financial results, what were some of the highlights?
So revenue grew to 3.8 million. That was up 70% on the like period finishing December 2017. Most importantly, transaction revenue, financial transaction revenue grew to just over 50%, and in the prior similar period had been about 2%.
Congratulations on those results. And when you last spoke to FNN, I believe you were focused on becoming an authorised deposit-taking institution, or an ADI. Is that still a priority?
Yes, very high priority for the company. We've brought on a team of about 13 specialised banking executives who have formulated and lodged an application with APRA for a restricted ADI. We lodged that in November 2018, and currently we're in the review process with APRA as they work through our business plan and risk management plan and technology plan and so forth, and hopefully all leading to the awarding of a restricted bank licence.
Can you explain more about the target market for the proposed bank and the business plan?
The target market for the bank is actually very much the segments we already work in, primarily migrants who are interested in new bank accounts in Australia, cross-border payments such as remittances into Australia, remittances back home to family members. We hope to give them new services, their transaction banking, finally their lending services when they're in Australia. In terms of the business plan, we look at revenue segments from transaction banking, from remittance services, from lending, and in particular from correspondent banking, where we do cross-border interworking with foreign banks.
Last question now, Peter. Are you a high-growth fintech, a digital bank play, or both?
So right now we actually happen to be both. We've been growing our financial transactions processing at a very strong rate, quarter on quarter, and as such we are a fintech company that has both tech and financial processing, and we've also actually got licences, an AFSL and an AUSTRAC remittance network provider registration. Separately, we've been bringing through the bank licence and leading up to APRA currently reviewing it, and hopefully we get approved for the digital bank licence. The digital bank licence logically follows on from the financial transactions processing, as the customers that we're bringing on for the processing will all be the future customers of the bank.
Peter Cook, thank you for the update.
Thanks, Anna.